The little monkey, rabbit, and pig wake up to a bright, happy morning. Fresh fruits and veggies make the perfect start to the day. They put on their tiny straw hats and grab their tools. The little rabbit keeps every leaf happy with a gentle sprinkle.
High above, the monkey looks for the ripest fruits.
The little pig hums a tune while sweeping happily.
When the bucket is too heavy, they lift it together.
The animals scatter corn, and the chickens cluck happily. The cow greets them with a gentle moo.
Monkey hammers, rabbit holds, and pig paints bright yellow. They dance and splash under the gentle rain.
They plant seeds with care, dreaming of new life. The baskets fill with juicy fruits and proud smiles. They cook a warm soup with the day's harvest. They sit together, watching the glowing sunset. At night, they share funny tales by the campfire. They say goodnight to the farm and head home. Tired but joyful, the monkey, rabbit, and pig drift into peaceful sleep.